Here I have ALCATEL 1B, and today I'm going to show you how to turn off running apps. So if you have a lot of opened apps on your device, it could possibly cause your performance to drop lower. So what you can do about all these opened apps which you don't use right now, as you can see I have a lot of them here, to close them all, you can just tap clear all here, and after that all of these apps will be closed. And as you can see now I have no recent apps here at all. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.